Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alrighty, this week's channel shout out. And it would be, well, we're kind of taking a break from YouTube, so let's draw another name. And it would be I haven't seen them around either. Dang. Oh, cool. My bro, WATER2FIELD. An awesome dude. We'll check. I'll, of course, link his description. And he never sent me a sticker, which is too bad. I'd like to hang one on my board, brother. Alright. Well, there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description. And there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget, 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But, you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who serve. I thank you. And I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.